360 recording, motion tracking, good night vision, parking mode, and a voice assistant. Different box than I'm used to, well packaged. Oh, like that. Hello, I'm Mix. Have a quick look at the camera. Please remove before use. It's quite heavy. Sticky pad. Little screen. Power button. Controls. USB Type-C connection. Okay. Anti-static pads, extra sticky pad, an instruction manual. This must be the 12-volt car power cable. This must be for parking mode. So in here we have 12-volt socket. This one's marked in red, so I presume this is the one that's required for the camera, but I'll read the instructions. And that's obviously a secondary for other chargers. But we'll read the instructions and double check that, probably clarify it in the edit. And this will be your main power cable. So we've got a little trim pry tool to get the cable in the panels. And we have a USB to USB Type-C, which is the new way of powering cameras from the looks of things.
This is the optional hardwire kit to enable parking mode when away from your vehicle.
Hardwire kit user manual. 70 mi. I'm not probably saying it wrong. So you've got USB connection. You have your ground, your ignition switch, positive feed, and your permanent feed for when it's in parking mode.
Here's just a couple of examples of voice commands and how they work with the camera.
Shoot left. Shoot right. Shoot vlog.
Get ready to say hi to the camera.
Take selfie. Take photo. Shoot left. Oh, I haven't got my wallet, but I could get Tom some shoes. Be good for judging the colours on the camera. Shoot emergency video. So if you said that, I'm hoping it's going to save and protect whatever you set for, what, is it 15-20 seconds? Goals, Hollywood sign. Shoot right. Shoot right. Now we're going to go and get some skill shoes from Windsor's. Shoot inside. So right now we're recording 60 frames per second, not 30 frames per second. And we've got a slightly better mounted position for the camera because I wasn't convinced that was the best position. Shoot right. Let's just see if we get any number plates. ML17YTV. Hopefully the indicators can be heard on the microphone. So I've got the radio off so you can hear how clear it is. These are not loud indicators. If you can hear it on the audio, you know the microphone's pretty decent. Back to the camera. There's been a few people making some complaints, moaning about certain things. One was Curry's PC World. The reviewer said, he said something about it not being removable and visible, so it's a high theft risk. The camera's got one power cable to it, which is easily removed, and you twist it and it pops off in 2 seconds. So the only thing left on the windscreen then is just a flat disc. Nobody didn't have any idea what it is. So that guy's talking out his bottom. What was the other complaint? Another complaint was the cartoon screensaver is a distraction. Well, this is why you have it set different settings in the menu system. You can turn off the cartoon and have it completely black, so it looks like it's actually switched off. That's what I've selected. It is not a distraction in any way, shape or form. The camera just looks like it's off. There's nothing lit up on the screen.
So overall, what do I think of the 70MAI Omni? If I'm honest, I don't think this is a dash camera that takes itself too seriously, and it's there to provide a different type of service, possibly to a younger customer base. In all the years I've been running and using dash cameras, I've never had or felt the need to take a selfie, let alone a vlog, and I've done quite a few this last couple of weeks. There is no SD card to worry about. All data is stored on the internal memory. 70MAI do a downloadable app to go on your phone or tablet. From this you can download video files from the camera, or you can alter the internal settings very easily. It works extremely well. There is an optional hardwire kit which is very reasonably priced, which then enables your camera to record whilst parked and you're away from your vehicle. Overall, yeah, I think it's a great funky little camera and well worth the purchase. It's very well made, and yeah, it's got its funny little quirks. I genuinely really ended up liking this camera a lot more than I expected to. And as with all my reviews, it's been in my car for a long time, pre-review, and it's performed absolutely faultlessly. So if you don't own a dash camera and you're in the market for getting one, my advice, yeah, you won't go far wrong with this, give it a go. As always, thanks for watching. Please give it a like, maybe give me a follow, and I'll see you next time.